y'all doing? I know you saw the new products over there. You can head over to foresightslife.com and you can get those health products, because that is important for your body. You're not out of the woodworks now. I put, those of you that don't know me, that may be watching me now, let me just put this plug in. I'm Herbert Kareem. Okay, a lot of my videos, over 300-400, were taken down because of the situation we're going through in the censorship when it came to dealing with health and the boogeyman that everybody was trying to stay away from. So I just dropped a few products that I would continue doing that to help boost your immune system heavy during this situation and this year and next year. So that has not stopped. So that's why I had to put that plug in right there, and I'll continue putting that information in there because that's who I am. Anyways, let's talk about the AI. Okay, a lot of individuals are excited about the artificial intelligence. It's popping up everywhere. If you're involved with social media like myself, you're using tools in the back end to help your algorithm to assist you in editing and post and making sure you're doing a better job than you're doing right now, more efficiently and faster. You've noticed that you're dealing with AI, artificial intelligence, that will help you write the keywords, your titles, your description. They'll do all that for you, okay? The robot been here, but it's about to get thicker. They didn't know that we was gonna be so accepting to the AI. Now see, this is dangerous, okay? This is dangerous. A lot of times I'm getting used to this right now, actually being able to put information up there on YouTube that is not going to be blasted. Certain platforms, you can put whatever you want. You can say what you want. Like on TikTok, not heavy, but you can at least get away with more over there on certain platforms. They are about to go backwards. What I mean by they are about to go back in time and change things around to the point of heavily with robots, okay? So you have to understand where you live at. See, you ain't seeing the forest between the trees, like I said, but you kings out there that are watching me, there's a lot of y'all watching. I need you to continue to watch and invest and watch other ones like myself that's telling you to invest, but making you aware of what's going on. We got to help ourselves. Therefore, we be able to help the queens out here and our little ones out here. This country is at odds, okay? They're not seeing eye to eye. And when you understand that, you understand why a lot of individuals from China are going to other countries like Africa. There's other groups of people that are running to places like Africa. Okay, Ghana's not the only location they're going to. They're going heavy in anywhere they could go that's not in US, not in Canada, not in Australia, not in the UK. They're getting away from those locations. Why? There's several reasons why. But here's one of the big reasons. There's several reasons, but here's one of the big reasons and why AI is important, okay? One of the big reasons is they got a lot of old money here. Old money, old generations that own the city. Have you took the time to look up who owns your city? I mean, who owns the city you live in? Take the time, the name that you live in, of the city, the name of the city that you live in, you reside in, look it up and see who owns it. It's a family. It's probably going to come up with a company's name. Then you research that company's name and the founder of it. That's generational wealth right there. People were selling land like it was left and right, taking land. You know what I'm saying? I mean, since the 13 colonies. They've been doing it way past then. But I'm talking about since the 13 colonies and it became these 50 states. What does that have to do with the AI, the robot, artificial intelligence? It has a lot to do with it, because a lot of us are not paying attention to time. Time don't wait for nobody. Generations and generations and generations will still be here trying to take over. And this old money that's owned in cities and counties and states, they about to be pushed out. They either sell to these social media platforms or these billionaires and trillionaires, or they get smothered out and don't make no more money, and they're going to be like, when the famine hit or maybe a war go down, they ain't got no choice. They don't even like the laws that's set up right now. It's a lot of people with influence with that big bag. They want things to change in the US, in Canada, in UK, in Australia. Y'all ain't just paying attention. So the robot, the AI, is about to get a lot more serious. Now, of course, it's going to make a lot of people money. It's going to make a lot of people's jobs easier, that they'll be able to write content. They'll be able to get their job done faster on social media platforms. I've been getting a lot of stuff done quicker. That's why I could do one video a day now versus me doing a video a week. This AI of content writing and making my videos a lot more streamlined and easier, and the audio uploaded quicker, I could do videos all day, okay? So it just don't stop there. These AI robots, these artificial intelligence scripts and that they're gonna have to load to help businesses, big ones, mediums, and small, be more efficient. That means they don't need you and I no more. And when they don't need you and I no more, ooh, that's a problem. That's a problem. Y'all don't understand that y'all live in a metaverse? You in Disneyland? You don't have to go to Disneyland. It's a small world after all to see that you're spending a lot of money. I know when you go to Disneyland, you're like, oh my God, I have to plan this out because it's going to cost a lot of money to go and enjoy myself at Disneyland, at this amusement park, at Magic Mountain, Knottberry Farm. You all been there, SeaWorld. It's going to cost some money so my family can have a blast. Some of y'all going to the amusement parks, this holiday coming up, American holiday coming up, one of the presidents. And you're not understanding that you're going to spend a lot of money. You need your money right now to make it through this year and next year. So while AI is here, okay, and going to be pushing everyone out of the workforce, they already done a little bit of it already with this situation that just passed that a lot of people seem to kind of forgot about already. Come 2025 or 26, when things are looking kind of weird, people going to have forgot heavily what happened with the situation where they force you to do this and force you to do that. I ain't going to forget. It's my job to help you remember. But I want you to just take advantage of the generational wealth and not stick your head in the sand as if this AI is not real. Like it's all fun and games. Yes, I'm taking advantage of the AI. But yes, I am focused also on the AI. What I mean by that? I mean that I have to really, and you have to really understand the fact that, kings, that you're really protecting and being security and providers and for your family. You gotta think about getting out. That's real. You want to prepare and raise your capital to move on and get up out of here, okay? It ain't gonna be that great and easy to be living off grid. They're gonna have AI robots down the line that's gonna be able to find. Listen, are you gonna be comfortable when you're in your 60s and 70s, your late 60s and in your mid and late 70s, will you be comfortable if you make it? We want to make it, right? Will you be comfortable on that journey of from 60 to 70 and from 70 to 80? That's a solid 20 years when you pretty much take your hat off and you relaxing and you chilling and you don't want to do nothing else, no more business or 9 to 5. Because that's the number they gave us, right? Kareem don't work by that beat. My number been stopped. I'm working because I want to. And pretty much come 2025, I'm done. Because of the generation of wealth and taking care of these investments and whatnot and stocks and cryptocurrency, I'm taking my hat off and just do podcasting in 2025. Watch, okay? If you're still around. Now, you have to think about the future because you in it. You in the moment and you had yourself a past. And the moment is going to turn into the future based on what you're making and based on what they're doing. Did you catch it? You've had a past. Now, some of that past made up your present. And you're living in the moment right now. But this moment and this present will continue and will actually step forward, be speared to a future. And it's going to be what? Steered and pushed a certain way based on what you take in here mentally. What you actually carry with you and decide to add to your arsenal and move out here. Steer out here. Make it out here. Maneuver out here. You can no longer live up underneath a queen. Oh, come on now. I mean, if it ain't you, it ain't talking about you. I'm talking about those individuals that's moving like that. It's time for you to get up and move and make some things happen because in a little bit, about 5 to 10 years from now, it's going to be different. AI going to be heavy. Electric cars going to be around here everywhere. Meat won't be what meat is today. I'm going to have to save the rest of this for the next video. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do because a lot of people don't want to just, sit still for no long time, hours and hours at a time unless we do a live stream. But you got to get ready because change is here. And it's going to keep coming. Get your mind off of Connect 4 and checkers. Because they playing chess with you, at least understand the basics. It was Kareem.